Massachusetts Lumber Liquidators, Inc. Installation Provider Bond. What is Lumber Liquidators, Inc. Installation Provider Bond? Firstly, let's break down the key elements. Lumber Liquidators, Inc. is a well-known retailer of hardwood flooring, laminate, and other related products. When they hire installation providers, they want to ensure that customers are protected against any potential mishaps during the installation process. This is where the installation provider bond comes into play. In simple terms, the installation provider bond is a type of insurance that installation providers must obtain as a condition of working with Lumber Liquidators, Inc. in Massachusetts. Why is the installation provider bond required? You might wonder why such a bond is necessary. Well, it's all about ensuring that customers receive quality service and protection in case something goes wrong. Let's break it down. Consumer protection. The primary purpose of the installation provider bond is to safeguard consumers. By requiring installation providers to obtain this bond, Lumber Liquidators, Inc. ensures that customers have recourse in case they encounter problems with the installation, such as damage to property or incomplete work. Compliance. In Massachusetts, like in many other states, there are regulations in place to protect consumers and ensure fair business practices. Requiring installation providers to have a bond is a way for Lumber Liquidators, Inc. to comply with these regulations and demonstrate their commitment to ethical business conduct. Risk mitigation. From Lumber Liquidators, Inc.'s perspective, the bond helps mitigate the risk associated with subcontracting installation work. If an installation provider fails to fulfill their obligations or causes financial harm to customers, the bond provides a financial safety net for affected individuals. Benefits of the installation provider bond. Both customers and Lumber Liquidators, Inc. benefit from the installation provider bond. This bond functions as a three-party agreement. Customer confidence. Knowing that installation providers are bonded provides customers with peace of mind. They can trust that they will be protected in case of any issues during the installation process, enhancing their overall satisfaction with the product and service. Risk management. For Lumber Liquidators, Inc., requiring installation providers to have bonds helps manage the risk associated with subcontracted installations. It reduces the financial impact of potential liabilities and helps maintain the company's reputation for quality and reliability. Legal compliance. By mandating the installation provider bond, Lumber Liquidators, Inc. demonstrates its commitment to complying with state regulations and industry standards. This helps avoid potential legal issues and fosters a positive relationship with regulatory authorities. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.